from a monaural to a binaural fitting session with Connexx 9. With Connexx 9, you can change a monaural fitting to a binaural fitting without losing your fine-tuning. To do so, make sure audiogram data for both ears is available. Now, turn both hearing aids off and on, and click the Detect Connected Hearing Instruments button. You have now several options. First, perform a first fit on the new hearing aid. Second, copy the existing fitting to the new hearing aid. And third, start a new fitting for both instruments. The info symbol will give you more details on mouseover. Now double-check the acoustical parameters of the hearing aids. Finally, click OK. The first fit for the second instrument will now be performed automatically if this option was selected.